Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to hide sheet in your Excel. Okay, sometimes you hide the sheet and you don't know how to unhide sheet or how to show your sheets in your Excel. So how this video it's about to show you that is all about to solve your all queries. So let's start with the video. If you're new on this channel, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So let's start with the video. So here I have the working sheet here, and this is a main sheet. If you think this is demo and data for me, so I'm working with two sheet, and there is a one sheet is if missing, and if you don't know how to unhide, so you can show this sheet on Excel. So guys, this is simple tutorial to how to hide or unhide sheet in Excel. So here I'm going to first hide the Excel sheet, a worksheet. So this is my main sheet if you assume, and this is my working sheet like for drop down data and all. So I'm going to hide first, have to click on the right click and hide. Okay, so this sheet has been hide now, so I want to show it again and I have to see it again. So for unhide you have to click any sheet of you're working on and click on unhide. So box will pop up here and it will show you the hidden worksheet. Okay, or so click on any I only hide the only one worksheet you can see. So click on this and okay, so it will be unhide or it will be show on your Excel. So that is how it's work, how to hide or unhide, or how to hide your unhide your worksheet in Excel. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.